Okay, I said good morning, good evening, good night, good late evening to all of you, all my panelists, and it's a great feeling to have you around and see you all after so many years. And I think it's something very nice and it's very nostalgic to see your faces. I will start with my brief introduction about our department. Now, when it comes to first slide, please. We are first slide. Who's operating this? Okay, we had this. We as you all know, our vision and mission has always has been to have first slide, please. Don't go piche, आगे. Yes. So, Department of Foods and Nutrition, as you all know, always has aimed to create world-class, committed public health, dietetics, nutrition, and food science professionals who can contribute meaningfully to the social, economic, and health development of the global community. Our mission has always been to persistently update and enrich our curriculum, conduct research in ongoing and emerging areas of nutrition, and partners with various stakeholders to improve nutrition outcomes of Indian population through evidence-based advocacy and national program implementation. Our operating philosophy has always been to partner. Next slide, please. Next slide, who's operating? Yeah. So our operating philosophy has always, which forms the basis of our research, has always been in the area of evidence generation, capacity building, system strengthening and advocacy, partnership building and convergence, and nutrition health promotion in various settings. Next, please. Next one. So I will just give a very, it looks little cluttered the slide, but I wanted to have it in one slide only. So we will just very briefly talk about the recognitions our department have received from 1980 onwards, I would say. We were the first to have this ICMR Nutrition Research Training Center as early as in 1980. Then in 1984, we were given Institute of Excellence Award by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for maternal and child health. Then from 1995 to 2012, for more than 2 decades, we had been WHO Collaborating Center for five thrust areas or five areas based on our research. Started with anemia control, weaning foods, diet-related non-communicable diseases, maternal and child health nutrition, and research in promotion of nutrition for development. We were the first, as you all know, we were the first to start masters in dietetics as early as 1980. Now, after that, many followed in India, and now again we are the first to start the public health nutrition. We were the first to start the masters in public health nutrition also, and it has been certified as the only institution, our institution, which imparts public health nutrition specialization training from UG to doctoral level. And now we plan to move on to give an MPH in a Masters in Public Health in Nutrition. Maybe next year onwards, we'll begin with that. Very recently, because of our research on thalassemia, it led to our university getting recognition from Red Cross Society and Government of Gujarat. And ours is the only university in Gujarat where we have this, compulsory thalassemia screening for new admissions. And we got this Excellence Performance and Best University Award in Gujarat. We have a lot of copyrights. Our staff is good at writing, and a lot of copyrights and patents we have got. So next, please. Now, as I said, capacity building of our students is the major aim for professional and research training. We collaborate with international universities. We have a student exchange program with Warsaw University and Santiago University, Poland and Spain. We do, for doctoral research also, we collaborate with Nutrition Foundation of India, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Sir Gangaram Hospital in Delhi, Asian Pediatric Hospital. I'm talking of the recent collaborations. Then professional skill development and studies. For students, we all know we have internship program. where we place the students in the major hospitals of in India, PGI, AIMS, etc. And then also we give a lot of hands-on training to our students at undergraduation level to have clinical practice. We have food service management, which is quite strong, where we emphasize and focus on students learning the whole aspects of food service management and serve minimum of 50, sorry, minimum of 50 servings at a time with placements for various positions like head kitchen, head pantry, head purchase, etc. We also have collaborations with Bangalore, Boston nutrition collaborations because research is also very important. Therefore, two doctoral students per year go for nutrition research methodology training in for this Bangalore, Boston nutrition collaboration. Next, please. Next, please. We have also worked. We skipped that. Anyway, can we go back to it? Yeah. So for international collaboration, we've also worked with Human Genetics Unit of Santiago for inborn errors of metabolism studies, Department of Reproductive Medicine, China, Tata Cornell University initiative with KISS, Mumbai and BIF, where we are talking about fortification strategies, and with Cornell University. At national level, we work with IDA, we work with ICMR, we work with FSSAI, and we have a lot of experts on in our department who are on the panel. So staff engagement, when it comes to, we have international at national level, World Alliance for Breastfeeding and BPNI is where we very closely collaborate every year for breastfeeding week celebration, Indian Diabetes Federation, and then FSSAI, where our staff is an expert panel for five, that is HFSS Foods, Food Fortification, Nutrition and Food Labeling, NetProfan, Eat Right Movement. We have our staff on RD board at national level, and also we work very closely with ICMR. So we do a lot of work even at local level. We work with government and private hospitals for maternal and child health activities with gynecologists and pediatricians. We have formed an alliance with IAP and Vadodara Mahanagar Seva Sangh for breastfeeding, which is a breastfeeding alliance network to take steps for baby-friendly hospitals in Vadodara. Then we have also collaborate with our own university health center where dietary counseling is given for both persons. Our own department, we have a nutrition counseling center and also a lot of corporates, hospitals, etc. Next, please. Can I have the next slide? Okay. Lastly, we do a lot of work which will go and benefit the society. So for service to society, we have a nutrition counseling center, which is the first in the country in an academia, in an academic institution to have a counseling activity along with academic setup. And this is an initiative of providing free counseling to citizens of Vadodara. We are actively involved in conducting health promotion activities and celebration of Diabetics Day, Breastfeeding, Nutrition Week, etc. We started this nutrition counseling cell on 5th September 2013. And as you can see, we actually now run only on a Saturday from 1 to 4 p.m. We plan to expand this facility and have more counseling, regular counseling happening in our department, but then we are looking for funds to support the position of a dietitian full time who can work with us and also some infrastructure support. Thank you so much for listening to me. Now